When we opened the company, in addition to branding ourselves, if you will, Carter Wallace, which gave us some instant name recognition because we were known within the community and involved and active, with a lack of local broadcast television, for instance, or a really good print medium to use in marketing efforts, that led us to focus in on radio so we could narrow in on our core consumer, which is that 25 to 45-year-old woman. Well, we've been on the radio for over 10 years, and we started out just with news sponsorships, even Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 3 days a week. As that increased our business, we moved to a place where we would sponsor special programming, sports events, local high school sports, those kind of things in the radio, and eventually moved to where radio was really its most effective, which is high frequency. We'd run 8 commercials 5 days a week, sometimes 7 days a week. Over that 10-year period of working with our consultants in the radio station and making the most out of our dollars there, we also purchased a jingle, which I won't sing for you, but the slogan goes, Carter Wallace Mortgage, the key to your new home. And people today even will call my wife at work and start singing our jingle to her over the phone because it's catchy and it helps build recognition.
As a mortgage broker, we have a difficult category because there are no impulse purchases in our business. And I think one of the most important things over our 10 years of working with the radio stations is the way the whole organization has worked together to help us brainstorm, to do market research on who our real competitors are and identifying the differences between them and us so that we could convey that in our messages. The branding seminars, which we've attended multiple times, helped a great deal in helping us to focus on our key message and our key audience, so that our marketing dollars, which are limited, would have more of an impact on the core consumer that we need to reach. Overall, we're very pleased with the relationship we have with the radio stations, and we've used every radio station they have at one point or another. It's been a very successful relationship and is a key foundation to the growth in our business and the place that we've reached in the marketplace.